Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to revoke and delete configuration cards in your STid Mobile ID Portal. To begin, log into your STid Mobile ID Portal. Once logged in, make sure you have the necessary permissions to revoke or delete a configuration card. To revoke a configuration card, navigate to the Configuration Cards section and locate the card you want to revoke. If you're handling a single card, select it from the list. For multiple cards, just select all relevant ones. Be sure the cards you want to revoke have an activated status. To initiate revocation, go to the More menu and select Revoke for one card, or if viewing details of a single card, use the Revoke option in the Actions menu. Confirm your choice, and the card status will change to Pending Revocation. Once completed, the card will be removed from the configurator's smartphone, and the status will update to Revoked. Now let's talk about deleting a configuration card. Select the card you wish to delete, whether it's a single card or multiple cards. Make sure the selected cards are in a deletable status, such as created, email sent, activated, pending revocation, or revoked. From the More menu, select Delete if working with one card, or use the Delete action in the Actions list when viewing a single card's details. Confirm your choice, and the card will be removed from the list, freeing up space and simplifying your configurations. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using the STid Mobile ID Portal. For further help, contact our support team at support@stid.com.